What's going on, everybody? It's Jamie and welcome to the channel Thiftonfire. Today we're going to do a react video. I seen the other day that Ryan and Pam from Thrift Mine released a new video on their YouTube channel. It's been a while. I don't know when the last, so I think actually a couple days ago they might have released like a best of storage unit type video, and I watched that, and then I seen that they released an actual Thrift Mine video. I haven't watched it yet, so I thought we could do a react video. I haven't done a react video on this channel for, I'm gonna say, well over a year. I've done a few. I did a Cincinnati Picker one, a Froggy Flips one, an Osborne to Thrifts one. So if you've been around this channel for a long time, you might have seen them in the past. Like I said, I haven't done them in a really long time. I just thought it'd be fun during the series to do something a little bit different. This is very different. It's a shorter video, which is kind of one of the reasons why I picked one like this. It's about 12 minutes or something like that. So let's watch this video together. You know, I'll give you my 2 cents on a few things, but for the most part, we're just going to be hanging out and watching the new Thrift Mine video.
What's this down here? Oh, here we go. Now we're talking.
All right.
Ah! Ooh, ooh.
Maybe it'll be something good for James.
What do we got right here?
Nice to see another Thrift Mine video. It's been a while.
All right. So this is what size?
4x9.
4x9. We paid $160 for this. It was a little more with the Storage Oxo website, so it was like 176, I think, total. Let's crack it open, see what we got.
Our
oh, my dad's here.
not that cheap. Yeah.
Hi. So right off the bat, basically from the pictures, all we could see is this. Obviously the bins, which we have no idea what's in them. We saw this camera case, and I could see what's over there. It looks like a Hess truck, but I thought it was in the pictures. And yeah, it is. It's a Hess truck. There's like a little dresser there, some more bins. Other than that, we could not tell what was in this whatsoever. I know you're itching to check it out.
No, I'm just looking at the empty one.
The empty one, yeah. For the most part, this was a pretty big gamble. This actually looks pretty good. I don't know what it's worth. If I had to guess, I'll put it up on the screen what it's worth. Let's see what my guess is. Yeah. Probably about 50, I bet.
Huh?
Yeah. It's covered in dust. This has been in here a while. How do you want to tackle this? You want to go just
Pull those first. And
work our way that way? All right. Let's do the big reveal on this one. And number 2. Ooh, pictures. I don't want to show anything on the camera that I can't. What's this? Jimmy Buffett.
Jimmy Buffett.
You got a teddy bear. All right. All right. More pictures. Yeah. K Jewelers. Deb's bezel set diamond. Make sure there's no diamond in there. Oh no. Photo album.
Yeah.
1976 to 2008. A lot of see if that's what it is. Yep. We're not off to a good start here. American League Champions 2008 hat. Back when the Red Sox were good.
Maybe that.
That's actually a good find right there. No kidding. That's a Super Bowl XXXI between the Green Bay Packers and the New England Patriots. And it's a brand new hat. New old stock. This could be some cash. Raggedy Ann and Andy. Oh, it's Barbie collectible. Okay, we're going in the right direction here. Valentine's Day already went by. Celine Dion. Yeah. All right, moving on. So next we have what looks like a camera case. I was curious what kind of camera this is because it looks like one of those like video camcorders. The Sony Handycams can be worth a lot of money.
Yeah, it's not Sony.
Yes.
No,
is it? Hold on. Oh, it's a JVC. Oh man, might still be worth something. It looked like a Sony Handycam though. We'll have to look it up, but it's a JVC GR-SXM 730U. This is definitely worth something, but it's not a Sony Handycam. All right, next tote. Let it rip. Ooh, dolls. Yes. Yeah, baby. Oh, these are kind of creepy looking. Yeah. Wonder what kind of dolls these are. Oh wait, there's a tag on them. Andy by Kelly Rubert. Raggedy Andy doll. There's also this one, the female version of it. Is it Raggedy Ann? All right. I know it might be a really big surprise, but I'm not really much of a doll guy. So, what's this? Yellow Racing? What is a daughter plate? I don't know. I don't have one. Some sort of vase for decorative use only. Did we make our $160 back yet?
No.
No.
Wait.
All right. Next, pictures.
All right.
Yes. I was really hoping so. Oh, this is cool. Adam Vinatieri. Baseball card with a Hummer on it. I remember when they used to make these. More pictures. Pictures, more pictures. We need something better here. This isn't good so far. Probably more pictures. Is it pictures? What is that?
On the bottom of a cuckoo clock or a...
Yeah, I think you're right. Like a grandfather clock or something. Drawing. Ooh, this is kind of cool. Limited edition. Keep that. Oh, they're being on Dale Earnhardt.
Oh,
yeah,
that's bad. That must have been before he died. Yeah, 1992. Jeez.
There's a photo album. Empty.
Oh, that means we have to take it.
We have to think.
Boy. What do we got?
Oh, what the heck is that?
Sounds of the 70s. We got a camera, a Nikon One Touch 200. Probably not a valuable one.
A doll for you.
I got a doll for you.
Put it in your doll collection.
Thanks. I guess I'm a doll guy now, huh? Old looking headphones. Is it an old Walkman?
Nice.
If you're not subscribed, what the heck are you doing? We are trying to get to 200,000 subscribers, and we can only do that with your help.
Ooh, Faith Hill.
Done.
Let's go. Greatest hits. All right. I can sell that for a couple bucks.
Maybe there'll be something good for James in there.
Okay.
Oh,
Right, okay, there's a thumbnail.
That doesn't look bad.
let's take a look, shall we? Ooh, it's stamped.
Is it going to be
Oh, my
gold? I
gosh,
guess
it's
that would be the
really easy.
question
Yeah.
here.
In with my phone. Hold on. Man, am I getting older? Can I not read? It's stamped with something. What does it say? So I'm assuming it's probably gold, but we're going to have to wait on that
Stick it in
one.
your pocket. You don't lose it.
Yeah.
I like your shirt, by the way.
What? Oh, we're what? Get
Oh.
out of here. We're wearing the same
Twinsies.
sweatshirt. That's funny. We probably both got it for a Christmas present or something.
Probably.
All right, let's find some more diamonds. Come on. So what's this? Ow. Oh, look at this thing. This is cool. It's a slot.
Huh.
It's a little clock.
That's neat.
Yeah. Well, maybe or something. I don't know. It's pretty heavy. Ooh, you're right. Baseball,
It's
1990
steel
edition.
cards.
They're cards, football cards, some NASCAR cards.
Okay,
I don't know if they're
not
anything good, but might be able to sell them on eBay. Hockey cards. What's this down here? Oh, here we go. Now we're talking. Now we are talking.
That's why I like these.
Now we are talking.
PGA.
We've got
Looks like-
sealed 1991 PGA Tour. What is this? Golf cards? So that's good. What do we got right here?
Surprisingly not worth more, but
Oh, baby.
That's
That is
produced, but-
1998.
Cool.
Factory sealed upper
Is that
deck.
Ken Griffey?
Ken Griffey right on the front.
You can have that.
No, I'm good. It's all yours. What is this? Oh, nice.
Okay.
More golf
More
cards.
golf.
Sealed.
I didn't even
PG.
know they made those.
I didn't either. Good. CD.
CD.
Oh, what's this? Oh, no way. Super Bowl XXV. This one's open. But-
25?
Super Bowl XXV 25. Yeah. Did the Cowboys win the Super Bowl that year? I think they might have. Oh, no, these are stamps. Yeah, these are
These are
stamps.
cool.
Baseball stamps. Those
Pretty
actually
cool.
sell. I've sold those before. Not that exact one, but I've
Really?
sold stamp sets before.
Close to.
Make sure you didn't sign this or something.
No,
You know. Fun fact, Kevin Youkilis is Tom Brady's brother-in-law.
Did not know that.
Did you know that?
Nope.
You didn't know that? Yeah, Kevin Youkilis is married to Tom Brady's sister, I believe. Disney's Treasury of Children's Classics book. All right, moving on. Please don't be pictures. Is that a chest? Yeah, it's a big chest back there.
It's
We'll
gonna
have
be
to get to that in a minute. Please don't be pictures. Oh, man.
taking photo of
Bro.
all of it.
Is the whole thing
The whole thing.
Yeah, the whole thing is pictures.
Dig through.
That's all
rest
right, that's all
anyway.
right. Makes our job easy, I guess.
In case you're not aware, it's standard practice to return anything personal, such as pictures, legal documents, and bills and things like that, to the storage facility. So that's what we'll be doing here.
Mom's pictures. Hold on, we found a
Oh, good
ring in
sign.
one of these. We can't get too down on our luck. Oh, photographs. Here's a shock. Sorry, guys, I can't show you these pictures because I want to protect the identity of these people. So sorry, I'm not showing the bins, but this thing's full of photo frames, pictures, loose pictures, old pictures, new pictures. All right, moving on. So as you can see, this is basically all that we have from this entire unit that we have to take. And this is all photos and photo albums. We got this box right here. These Hess trucks aren't usually worth a ton of money, but they do sell. Sold them before. I think it's just because they're so mass produced. They don't retain a whole lot of value. Like, let's look this one up. Probably won't be anything too crazy. Yeah, so brand new. Yeah,
25.
selling for around $25.
Yeah,
So not
that makes
terrible.
sense.
Maybe Lil Ryan will want. Oh, Goodnight Dinosaurs. He might like that one. Yeah, these will be good for him. That's like one of those light strips. Bernstein Bears, Mickey Mouse, Bambi, Dumbo, books. Okay. So this we'll keep. Whether we sell them or donate them, I'm not sure. We'll have to see what the value is in some of these. All right. What do we got next? Ooh. You want to grab that big box there sitting on top? That wooden box? I wonder if that's silverware. Yeah, sure. Pull that out. Yeah, that box looks interesting.
Yeah.
Let's see.
All right.
Yeah,
What
silver would
that
be
is.
nice. Nope.
Yearbook or something? Dance. Bunch of tickets, yeah.
60.
It's only personal stuff, I think.
Yeah. I think it's older.
That's a disappointment.
You never know.
Oh, well.
Hope that ain't trunk full of pictures.
Oh, man, if it is. All right, so we're down to this dresser, that chest, and that box there. Everything else has been personal stuff so far, so haven't really shown anything. Hopefully it's something good. Is it books? Something different. All right. I do see some pictures.
White.
Very. All right, ready? Oh, it's not empty.
Okay.
There's china in it. I'm not gonna touch
We
that
gotta figure out
because
how we can not break that.
I think the best bet is to not take it out yet. Right down bottom.
More time.
More, yeah, tea party stuff. We'll have to do some more research on this,
Yeah,
but
what does
it's
it
all, what's the brand on it? It's Johann Haveland, Bavaria, Germany. There's a lot of it.
Yeah, I'm not familiar with that.
Holy cow. I don't know. Fingers crossed. Okay, all right. We have that exact blanket.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Taylor?
Green Bay
No.
Packers blanket.
Packers,
The Game
yeah.
of Salem. It's sealed. All right. Me neither. More Afghans. Ooh, dolls.
Cabbage patch down
I'm a
there.
doll guy. Remember these? Live Strong, Bert? You probably don't, but
Yeah.
my generation does.
Yeah.
Literally everyone wore these in school.
The Green Bay thing.
You saw it too?
Yeah.
Check that out. Sealed Green Bay Super Bowl XXXI. That's cool. Super Bowl
pretty neat.
31. January 26th of 97. So that was Brett Favre, right? Gonna open it. World's greatest dad. Legal documents.
They're all
Boston Celtics bear. That's a, what are those called? Something patch kid? Cabbage patch. That's it. Ooh, here we go. Another one of those hats. Green Bay Super Bowl champions.
Very
That's
cool
money.
hat.
That'll sell. Sony Handycam DVR. Where's the Handycam though? That would be nice to find. Ooh.
King Jewel.
Ooh.
Okay.
No jewelry.
Of course.
No.
That was exciting for 20 seconds. Basically, all of this we're giving back to the storage facility because 80% probably of this unit was all just pictures. Yeah, let's see if that ring is worth anything. All right, so I know everybody wants to know the lowdown on this ring right here. I did get a magnifying glass and look really close at the inside of the ring, and it is stamped 10K, so it's definitely 10 karat gold. However, I also noticed that at the top and bottom of the big center stone are some really, really small diamonds. I figured I would whip out my diamond tester here. I'll try to hold it up to the camera so you guys can see. See it lit up green there? That top one is real. And that one is real. I'm not sure what kind of center stone this is. I'll have to do some more research on that. I don't know if it's like a ruby or if it's just a fake. I wouldn't think it's fake if the diamonds are real, but who knows? You guys have any idea of what I should do with this? How I should figure out what it's worth? Let me know in the comments below because I'm not a jeweler. I don't really know what the heck I'm doing. I'm sure somebody out there knows better than me. What do you guys think? Do you think we made out fine or not? Let me know in the comments below. If you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
So that was kind of fun. I haven't seen a Thrift Mine video in a while. It's nice to see Ryan and his dad. No Pam this time. I don't know if they plan on doing more storage unit videos. They haven't put a video up in quite some time. I think last week they did like a few days ago maybe they did like a best of storage units, which makes sense to come out with a new storage unit video. Fun to watch. Did they make a lot of money? Probably not. I would take that ring, I think, to the pawn shop and just have somebody look at it there. Maybe even offer you your money back on the unit. Who knows? Or maybe it's worth a lot more money. I don't know a lot about jewelry, to be honest. So yeah, a lot of fun. Like I said, we don't do videos like this very often. It's been at least a year since I did a react video like this. I have done them on my channel for, I think, like Froggy Flips, Commonwealth Picker, maybe Osborne or Thrift. So it's been a while. But yeah, if you guys like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. And we'll see you tomorrow.